Ever wondered how raw cassava roots are transformed into perfect grains of rice? Let's go inside the factory. First, the roots are thoroughly washed, peeled, and crushed into a smooth mash. After dewatering, high-pressure extruders shape the dough into identical rice grains. Next, hot air dryers remove moisture for long shelf life, removing any imperfect pieces. Finally, the nutrient-dense cassava rice is weighed, sealed, and packed for global export.
Looking at these endless crops, few would guess that hidden beneath the soil lies the raw key to creating high-quality, artificial rice. Using state-of-the-art agricultural machinery, dedicated crews harvest tons of fresh cassava roots every single day. The unearthing of these mature clusters is a careful balance of machinery and expertise, bringing the valuable roots to the surface after months of growth.
Check the humidity levels on conveyor 4. Levels are stable. We are ready for the next load.
Welcome to the initial cleansing phase. Raw, earth-laden cassava roots encounter a powerful wall of high-pressure jets, designed to strip away impurities in milliseconds. As the cassava line pushes forward, it moves through a continuous curtain of sanitized water, creating a relentless force of hygiene. Engineered from heavy-duty stainless steel, this complex grid ensures that the roots are fully accessible to the multi-directional cleaning force. In a perfect synchronization of power and precision, this high-pressure automated cleanse defines the beginning of a flawless manufacturing journey. Monitor the temperature on the flash dryer.